In front of me is Motorola Moto G05, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then tap on Open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and select Add Password. Now you need to input all of those informations, and when you finished to add your password, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!